Samsung fans have been on edge about the S Pen ever since they completely dropped support for it on last year's Galaxy Z Fold SE, and then even scaled down the Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen by ditching its Bluetooth features. Naturally, we were bummed out missing that classic stylus magic. But guess what? A fresh patent spotted by 91 Mobiles in WIPO's database, granted on February 25th, hints that Samsung's first trifold smartphone, rumored to be called the Galaxy G Fold, might actually bring back the S Pen we all love. The patent even shows a dedicated S Pen slot with volume and power buttons on top and a USB-C port at the bottom for charging and data transfer. Now, aside from the S Pen excitement, the patent also gives us a peek at a design that's pretty different from what we expected. Instead of that long, narrow look, like a Galaxy Z Fold 6 with an extra foldable section, the sketches suggest a phone that has shorter, wider look, more like a Flex G plus an outer screen. It has dual inner folding form factor where both sides fold inward. Meanwhile, Huawei's Mate X-T uses a zigzag approach that lets its foldable screen double as an external display. Samsung's method, though it means a separate secondary display is needed, seems all about keeping that inner screen safe. And here's some juicy display talk. Leaks are hinting at a massive 9.96-inch foldable internal display, a serious upgrade from the 7.6-inch Galaxy Z Fold 6, along with a 6.5 4-inch secondary screen. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But hold up, the excitement takes a slight detour. Tipster Max Jambor recently shook things up on X with some unexpected news, saying that Samsung might actually delay launching the Galaxy G Fold with its other foldables. Instead of debuting it this summer alongside the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, we might have to wait at least another 6 months, given that Samsung typically rolls out its FE series and like flagship tablets in September or October. It looks like this trifold might be joining that lineup instead. So while the promise of S Pen support and a fresh compact design has us buzzing with anticipation, we might just have to hold on to our excitement a bit longer. Does the return of the S Pen and the innovative design make up for the delay, or is it just another twist in the foldable saga? What do you think? Comment down below and hope to catch you in the next one!